got me dream.
Hello. So I want to do something with this dress I have. It was in one of the bags that I got sent with like people's old clothes. So I want to do something to make this cute. So I feel like it could be cute. Like this is fine, like chilling and lounging or whatever. Can't see my food, baby, which is great. But I'm thinking maybe if I somehow like, I don't know, maybe make it like a bodycon, make it a crop top and like skirt set or something. Yeah, I'm thinking. I have no plan. I have no plan yet, but I'm trying to make something cute. Make something cute. Make something cute. Make something cute. I don't know what I want to do with it. I definitely think I think it looks cute. Like, oh yes, yes. Like, look at it. Look at it. Pop, pop, pop. No, shaking. Yeah. Well, if you want to see what I end up doing, stay tuned for this process, because I genuinely do not have a clue how this will turn out. If you want to see how I make this into whatever it is I'm going to make it into, keep watching. So I've decided to make this into a bodycon with a little slit on the leg. So I basically wore it and then I've molded it to my figure, my shape, and I just marked the lines out and just did a rough template. Honestly, completely winged this whole process. I don't know if that's the right idea. That's what I do. I wing it and pray for the best. So what I'm doing is just cutting along the lines, be as neat and as precise as you can, and just cutting both sides out. I decided not to cut the bottom just yet because I was worried it might be a bit too short, and I've made that mistake plenty of times before. Then you're going to want to flip the dress right sides in and then pin both the sides together, ready for sewing. Once it's all pinned, just sew it together using zigzag stitch. Okay, so I'm just tried it on after sewing it and it looks so cute. It's all fitted. It's literally like the perfect like fit as well. So I'm happy about that. So I think I could either leave it like this, to be fair, like it's actually fine and you don't need to do anything extra. But I want to add like a little slit to it, like a little triangle slit, just to, I don't know, if I thought add something, make it feel a bit more designed. Yeah, I think it's gonna be cute so far. Just need to sort this like top bit of the arms a bit, where it's like doing this. I think I maybe need to sort that out a bit. Maybe just take it in a little bit more in there, just to, you know, just refine it a bit more, because I feel like it's just like sticking out a bit. Yeah, so I think we'll do that. Then the dress should be finito, and I can work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. So I've just eyeballed the line I want to cut down the side, and just cutting that in a straight line and then folding over the edges, and I'll stitch that in a zigzag stitch. And then it should look something like this when it's done. I just cut off all the loose bits. So this is the final outcome. I'm really, really happy with it. I like that I've added the slit, just added a little je ne sais quoi on it, however you say it. And then I'm taking the arms as well, so it just, you know, feels more fitted on the arm side of things. And yeah, just really happy with the outcome. It feels very complimentary for my figure as well. So I think this is a success. And I'm so happy because normally when I wear bodycons, like every 5 steps it's like riding up, and I don't have that problem with this. It just fits a bit more nicely, and it's like a good length. It's not like super short as well, so it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. So yeah, really happy with this. If you like this, or if you try this, then please leave a comment below, or tag me on Instagram, etc. All my handles are below in the description. I'd really love to see it. I'd really love to see people like trying out what I try out, because I think it's just so fun to like make your own clothes, and just you always have something unique that no one else ever has. So I really find it interesting to see what people make. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.